Hello, David Bradley here. Welcome to the box room. I think I turn on the Amiga. I think I will. I think I might. So I have this other thing called games shoot 'em up, and there's one here, and I think I'm just going to try and pop it in and see if it boots. Once it comes up and asks for Workbench. Workbench. It's called Marble Madness. And thinking back, I'm not sure. Maybe I have looked at this. I'm not just sure. I'm not just sure. But if I did, it's worth looking at again, I think. But let's just see here. Actually, the more and more I think of it, I think I did look at this. Where basically you end up in this kind of thing where you have to guide the ball around. And if it falls off, you die. Yeah, this is looking more like something I looked at. Oh well. We'll see. Okay. Number of players 1, difficulty 0. Okay. Joystick. Go. It's gone off to load things. It has. Oh yeah. Okay. Oh. So I have to guide the marble down. Ah! Down. I think this is like the easy training mode. Yeah, I seem to remember. This went really well. But the next level will not. It's gone off to the disk to get more. Okay. Oh yeah, and now there's other things here to pester me. Oh. Well, it didn't kill me, but it sure. Alright, I'm going down. Whoa! What are these weasel things? Somehow I don't think they're good. Ah! It knocked me off. Oh, and I fell again. I guess there's a limit to how far you can fall. Oh, I'm dead again. Alright. Oh! I thought I could just coast down there, but I guess not. It takes very, very fine movement on the joystick. Very, 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 very fine! What is that thing? I don't know what that thing is. Oh, looks like I'm going into a thing. Now what? Ah! I was so close! Game over. Ah! Well, that was fun. At least it works. Let's see. There's something else I saw in here that looked good. No, not that. I just saw it. What was it? I was sure. Did I already take it out? Oh. No. Oh, this is the one. Okay. This one. This disc says it has 4 different things on it. Mindwalker, Cosmo 2, Breakout 3D, and Missile. Now, I don't know if this is a disc that boots or not, but I will find out. And how do you find out with an Amiga if it's a bootable disc? Well, you look for it to come up and look for WorkBench, and you put in a disc, and if it seems to boot, it's happy with it. If it doesn't, then, oh, welcome to Mindwalker. One moment, please. Alright. Anyway, if it doesn't want to boot, then put WorkBench in. Let's see what we have here. Ooh, it looks like things are hiding. Alright. Let's open this up a bit. And click over here to move up. Missile. Breakout 3D. Did I do this already? I'm losing track. Oh, okay. 3-dimensional breakout. Bounce the ball off the paddle. Required equipment. Red, blue 3D glasses. Oh, dear. Use the mouse to move the paddle around the floor. Oh, I did this. Oh, no. It's not going to go well. That's right. You absolutely do need 3D glasses to have a chance at this. I don't have them here. Well, yeah. Okay. You know what? Oh, I got one. No, this is not going well. Game over. Okay. You know what? I'm sure I looked at this stuff. So that is enough of that. Let's see here. I'm going to put another disc in called Instant Music. Let's see if it boots. You see, beforehand, I did not have the sound connected properly on this Amiga. And then I found a cable that I thought would make it better, and I think that cable was somehow defective. So let's see if this boots up nicely. Instant Music. Let's see. Oh, it says WorkBench Release 1.2. This must have been something pretty early. Instant Music by Electronic Arts. Lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Once again, I'm thinking I may have looked at some of these. Oh, I'm sure I did look at these. But I didn't have... It's funny, the sound just didn't sound right, and of course it didn't sound right. Why didn't it sound right? Because it wasn't connected right. It was one channel out of 2 plugged in. It was... Oh yeah. Mouse jam is on. Yeah, that sounds a whole lot better than what it did before. Oh yes, I remember this. Let's go for a rock. 80s pop. We'll load that up and see what it is. Whatever it is, it should sound the way it's supposed to sound this time. I'm not seeing anything. Oh, right. Okay, hold on. think I'm supposed to press this. There's nothing there. Alright, backing up. Load. Load song. Maybe I do stuff on that. Ah, that looks better. Alright. I think I pressed the space bar. Oh, yes. This sounds much better. It's funny how when you have a left and a right, and you're only listening to the left or the right, it's just not right. Alright. Let's load. We'll go to the parent directory and do something classical. Something tells me Bach Joy. It's not B-O-X, but Bach. Bach. B-A-C-H. And I tap the space bar. Much better. Much better. Ooh. And from what I've found with these songs, they all kind of, it's not the whole thing, but it goes nicely in going back around again. So maybe we'll do just one more. Jazz blues. I think Boogie Woogie. It's nice to hear how these things are really supposed to sound. Cool. So you know what I think I'm going to do? It's actually, I have to go and see the dentist today, of all people. And we're not there yet. We still have some time. I'm going to look for something else magical to do. What does that mean? I'm not sure. But I think, as cool as this is, I think it's time to move on. And you know what? Soon, I'm going back to the pet room. I am. So we're going to press Control, Amiga, because the sound of silence is also quite precious. And actually, as I'm looking back here, I'm just trying to see. See, I have this magical thing here that has never been used. I just unpacked it. It's that little joystick thing all together in one. And I'm wondering if I can test it. Of course, before I can do any of that, I need to put batteries in it. So I'm going to look for stuff. I can look for batteries. And maybe that will be the next episode. Thanks for being here. Have a lovely day. Go Jays, go. Go Leafs go. Go Raptors go. Yeah, let's go.